All right, so welcome to day 2 of your monster design. To get started, you're going to want to open up Photopea and hoping that you put your information inside your Google Drive. You are going to need to download what you developed yesterday. And that file just downloaded, and now from Photopea, I can open from computer. And I'm ready to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by detailing the eye. Make a new layer. Turn my fill to black. I'm holding the shift key down. And now if I was an illustrator, I would add some points to make this piece of the eye. But unfortunately, I'm not sure that I have that ability in Photopea. So I am going to take the Polygon Lasso tool. I've made a new layer. I'm going to use the Polygon Lasso tool. Maybe helps if I'm on the Polygon Lasso tool. There we go. To make that piece in the eye, and I'm going to take my paint bucket and dump white paint in there. Select, deselect. So now I have my eyeball. Next I'm going to do his eyebrow, and I am going to do the eyebrow, make a new layer. I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'm going to use only a stroke, and I'm going to use a darker red color, and I'm going to increase the thickness of the stroke. And if I go here, I can give the corners a rounded look. Whoa. Escape. So now he has an eyebrow. I am going to, whoops. I'm going to go back to the mouth, and I'm going to edit the mouth so it has a fill of that darker red color. And I'm going to get rid of my stroke. And now I will need to, I lost the mouth. Here we go, the teeth. Put the teeth on top of the mouth. And now I'm going to use the pen tool to give these little grin marks. I will put them on their own layer. So I want that to be my stroke color. No fill, just a stroke. Whew, way too thick. It's probably about right, and I want those rounded corners again. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to drag it to my new layer. So now there's 2 of those. So I can bring the other one over to here. All right, looks like I need an accent mark here. So I will make that a new layer. And I think I will turn my opacity down on that one so it's not, escape key, so it's not as harsh. And I want to do a shadow right here. I will do the shadow with the fill and no stroke. Cool. Not sure how I went to no fill, but oh goodness. We got it back. All right. That shape that I just made, I'm going to drag it under my monster's body. There we go. That looks a little more gentle. And I will put a blop in the background just to kind of give him a grounding location. And I will do that with my pen tool. I'll set my fill to this green color. My blop doesn't look like that blop. That blop is prettier, but we are doing our best with this program to try to continue our learning. We may not have all the points that we would like to have, but we're getting there. So this monster is not necessarily the most elegant monster ever, but hopefully you've learned a little bit more about the pen tool on our virtual week and been able to have fun with this monster. So please give it your best shot, and I don't know, I'm hoping we see each other Monday. I don't know what's happening yet, but it would be great if we were face-to-face on Monday so we could go back to creating. We're going to do another week of typography stickers in the classroom. So look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Take care.